Hi, when we started this company way back, we had a single goal in mind, that is to be the best e-surveillance company in India. This is reflected in our mission statement, which says to be one of the most valued e-surveillance company in India by the year 2020. What I like is the passion that I've seen in the team, and I believe that this passion is going to take us towards our vision 2020. If you ask who would have the largest market share by the year 2020, then one and only one name should come to your mind, and that should be Securens. We go beyond providing standard services to our customers. For example, we provide burglary, intelligence and analytics. With this analytics, we can identify and focus which area of the country the burglary is trending and what type of burglary is trending. This is a very powerful information that helps us to focus on areas that needs more attention. At Securens, the customer is at the center of everything we do. Each and every process that we have at Securens focuses on delivering customer satisfaction. By 2020, if you ask a customer which is the best company for e-surveillance in India, one and only one name should come to the mind, and that is Securens. Shareholders are very important to us. They have reposed faith in the growth and capabilities of this company. We will ensure maximum value to our shareholders. We want to ensure that Securens has one of the best talent in the business of e-surveillance. We have invested a lot in training and competency building. Talent is the key to growth, and it is the key to success. Employees are the key to our success, and talent and employee go hand in hand. So, by the year 2020, if you ask anybody where is the best talent in e-surveillance business in India, one and only one name should come to your mind, and that should be Securens. Vision 2020 is not possible without you. We understand that, and we will do everything that we can to bring a smile on your face and be happy working here. So, if anybody asks you which is the best company to work for, then there should be only one answer from you, and that's Securens. I'm sure that by 2020, with your help, we will be one of the largest, the biggest and most profitable company of e-surveillance in India. We have a very simple mission, that is to detect and deter every crime. For the success of this mission statement, each and every one of our team has to work together with passion and with commitment, which I'm sure together we will achieve. Thank you.